Kowaliga is one of the oldest, most iconic areas of Lake Martin. For 100 years, the huge views on Kowaliga Bay have pulled in lake people, country music legends, and anybody that's fans of Lake Martin. And 451 Hagan Road sits right smack dab in the middle of it all. Lake Martin fans know that Hank Williams Sr. used to vacation right here at Lake Martin. Yeah, Hank Williams Sr. back in the 50s was here on Kowaliga Bay. This is where he wrote the song Kowaliga. And it's not just a story, it tells you something about this place. I mean, it's history, and it tells you why people have been drawn to this area for such a long time. At Lake Martin, the way you price a property is view first, privacy second, and location third. And this view is incredible. Kowaliga Bay is as big as it gets. The location on Kowaliga Bay, check. The privacy, check. This is pretty incredible. And you're just minutes from the oldest and probably the most famous waterfront restaurant on the lake. It's Kowaliga Restaurant. It's been there a long time. And you're just right here. So you just boat up, stay a little too long, hang out. You're also about a mile away from one of Lake Martin's other waterfront restaurants called The Social. And the big event all summer is 4th of July fireworks right there. One of the biggest free fireworks shows in the Southeast happens right there. Thousands of people come, thousands of boats are out there, and the fireworks are incredible. The fireworks look like this, and this, and this. And the great thing about 451 Hagan Road is you don't have to leave. You can sit on your back deck. You can have your friends or don't have your friends. I don't care, I won't tell anybody, but you have the front row seat to the fireworks. All right, if you've been around Lake Martin and been around custom homes of the lake, you'll recognize a fireplace rock stone like this. It was done by Ben Newman. He's one of the local contractors here, and one of Ben Newman's signature things is he always has a little cubby, a little hidden spot like that. When I walked in this house, I was like, that's a Ben Newman. Hey, there's a reason why generations of people have enjoyed the Kowaliga area of Lake Martin. And 451 Hagan Road gives you a chance to do the same thing.